Marubozu is one of the most known single candlestick patterns. Its specificity is that it has the body without wicks, shadows. First I will open Strategy Tester and show you how to set and find Marubozu in indicator. We need just signal 1 because of one candlestick, and case B candle 1 to be true, case A should be false. Best is to compare candle with average if you want to get constant result. For this test I choose bullish Marubozu. Here we can see description of Marubozu of this test from my text guide. So as you saw, body should be at least half the average, that is greater than 50%. And both wicks less than 10% of body value. After all is set, just run it. Here you can see examples of this bullish Marubozu, medium body with wicks. And how much is this pattern reliable when trading it? Let's take a look. Select Expert Advisor, set date and pair. I ran test on EUR/USD 1 hour time frame for 1 year period. I want to sell it when pattern is finished. Stop loss and take profit should be at 1 time inner size. Take a look at the written guide to see settings and visual explanation of inner size 1. Lot size doesn't really matter if you just want to see how successful is pattern in terms of win percentage. Take profit and stop loss is inner size times 1, and candle structure is same as for indicator. And here is the result. You can see clearly that inner size 1 is for stop loss and take profit. And finally, the result. First thing that is important is the number of trades. More trades are there, more credible is the result. Second most important thing is profit rate. We can see that out of 105 trades, there are 57 successful ones. It's also good to know what drawdown you can expect. In this case, we got almost 15%. If we would start with $1,000, we would get a tiny profit, so we can say that this pattern on its own is not very reliable. To increase winning rate, we need extra filters, like trend or support and resistance lines. But nonetheless, let's continue with this test, because this is only one tiny fraction of what I have done. In fact, this is 1/12 of the EUR/USD pair testing, and I got 5 pairs. And that result in table with 100% investment return rate. As you can see, there is also 2:2 and 1:3 take profit and stop loss ratio. And now I will show you how I tested 2:2 ratio. I'm trying to show that these candles are take profit and stop loss 2 ratio. And the result, 55.2% win ratio, and that's our reliability. Last and not least, I will show one more test that is for 1:3 ratio. With middle mouse you can measure distance in points, so you can see that it's really 1:3 ratio. And the result, 31.4% win ratio, and that's our reliability. And when I repeated tests for all the pairs, 5-minute time frame and bearish buy scenario, I got all results in these tables. As you can see, profitability for USD JPY bearish is more than 150%, which seems great, but it falls with longer time period. That is my final test, phase 4. Now I took the best pair from each of 4 tables you saw before. And what's more, I extended testing from 1 year to 10 years. That means if previously were around 100 samples of pattern, now there are 10 times more samples or executed trades in tests. And finally, that means profitability fell significantly. With yellow is marked my final test result. And that's it. Final deep result for 1 hour time frame testing of 5 major pairs and Marubozu pattern. Reliability of this naked Marubozu pattern is too low for me. Of course it can be useful, just under right condition. I want to upgrade this candlestick pattern builder, but I need your help, so please support me.